Hey, it's October 14, 2022, and in any moment we are expecting arrival of the next generation of professional iPads. Regardless if you see this video now or after the introduction of Cupertino's iPad Pro models, it's never a wrong thing to consider accessories that could be the perfect match and most suitable for your favorite tablet. Not long ago, I've been contacted by a company called Pitaka. These guys have been in the industry since 2015 and they are quite recognizable for pushing the bar higher in terms of product experience and at the same time social and environmental responsibility. Since I have 11-inch iPad Pro, they've sent me MagEz Case, second iteration for iPad Pro, and their MagEz stands. Let's unbox it and review these Pitaka accessories. I've also received 2 iPhone cases, so you may expect one of those to be giveaway soon. Before we move on, question for you. What would be your favorite iPad accessory? Please answer below. Hi friends and welcome to the Digital Marketing channel. My name is Marko and this is your dose of Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. When you think about accessories, you rarely imagine it could be something heavy. This MagEz stand box is exactly that, which is a good thing because we can assume solid build and it will not be something you will carry around. As usual, basic product details and features are showcased on the outside. Once you remove it, you can actually see black elegant box smiling at your face, telling you, bro, this is quality. Inside you'll find a stand base, which is also a wireless charger, another box with USB power cable, instructions, alignment paper and the metal sticker, in case you don't own MagEz Case or your iPad belongs to another category. And finally there is a mount of the stand, which is the true cause of the weight of this package. Setting it up was really piece of cake. Just slot the mount to the base. If you look below, there is a hex key which will help you securing the bolts. You'll also be able to find the port for power, which you can connect in order for charger and charging indicator to work. If you look closely, the neck of the mount allows you to rotate it 360 degrees and adjust its angle vertically by 32.5 degrees up and down. Luckily, MagEz Case 2 is not as heavy as the stand. Actually, it's extremely light. Once you unbox it, you can feel how slim and lightweight it is. Don't let this fool you, cause its construction combination of aramid fiber and magnets will almost surprise how sturdy and durable it feels. I will not lie to you, this is not a case that will provide with some great anti-drop protection, especially since at the bottom is quite unprotected. It feels good in hands thanks to its smooth textured surface. Ultra-precise cuts provide easy access to all buttons, USB-C port and speakers. I'm not a huge fan of buttons though. They should have been a bit taller, so you can at least recognize it just by touch without looking at it. But it's okay. If you look on the back, there is a smart connector which allows you to use this case while attached to Apple's Magic Keyboard. Initial rumors about 2022 iPad Pro suggest that we may get new 4-pin connectors on both sides, top and the bottom, and that could also mean new Apple's in-house accessories. If that's true, Pitaka will definitely offer another version of this case. But if there are no differences between the latest iPad Pro iterations and those that came before, cases are already available. If you're using Apple Pencil, you'll be happy to know that you can still magnetically attach it and charge it even with the case on. Snapping the case to the stand is the easiest part. Just make sure that you aim at the center and you'll feel the force of the magnets right away. As I've mentioned, when iPad is attached, it's stable, it almost doesn't wobble while interacting with your fingers or with your stylus. You can tilt it up and down or easily rotate it from landscape to portrait mode in full circle. Obviously, the best way to use the iPad in this case is in combination with Bluetooth keyboard, which will also be beneficial from ergonomics perspective, especially if you're someone that is spending a lot of time in front of the display, in this case iPad. Pitaka MagEz Case 2 at this moment will cost you $69.99, while the MagEz stand comes with $99 price mark. If you ask me, both of these products are great. I love how thin and elegant this case is, although I would want those volume buttons a bit protruded and maybe a sleeve or something to assure that pencil remains attached in case of accidental hit. MagEz stand is even better, sturdy, stable and adjustable, and it deserves all possible recommendations. Once again, you don't have to buy a case in order to use it with your iPad, thanks to its metal sticker which comes within the package. With all of this said, it's time to end this quick review. Make sure you check Pitaka website in case there were updates for 2022 iPad Pro, as well as some other potential products that could have arrived in the meanwhile. I want to send my thanks to Pitaka for sending me these awesome accessories, and thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up and turn on notifications. This is Digital Marketing Channel and your host Marco. Talk to you soon. Bye.